Maybe I should have read better, but when the light starts blinking, I mean, this one did it and it turned off. So I turned it back on. I don't know if that was the right thing or not. See what it does. See what it does. It's making probably not here for like literally 45 minutes trying to get his update done. This is ridiculous. What's going on? I mean, something. Can I get a bad one? It's going to time out here in a second though, because I saw that connection light go red, so it came back, but it doesn't do anything after it comes back. And here in a second, it's going to flash up. I'll show you all. Say it didn't get it.